Hello, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So, what do you do for your living?
I'm a sustainable design artist.
Ish, it's big go. Explain, please. You say what?
I'm a sustainable design artist. So I work with this brand that works with waste from Cantonment, and we create brand from them.
Oh, okay. So you're into brand creating. So how do you make money?
Right now, I'm on salary pay
Okay.
Yeah.
So you work and you get paid.
at the end of the
At the end
month.
So in your line of business, what are some of the challenges that you face?
I would say looking for new materials and finding a way to use it. Yeah.
So you have to craft your own materials into being.
Yeah, you have to see what the market have, and then you have to pick one or two and work with them.
Is it something difficult to learn to do?
To learn to do is difficult, but if you understand, it's easier.
It's easier to do. Okay. So what advice will you give to someone that wants to venture into this kind of sustainable fashion?
I would say it's fun,
Okay.
it's difficult, and there's a winning point. So
Oh, there is a winning point.
yeah.
You guys have a lot of money. Guys, she has a lot of money.
I'm broke. I'm very broke.
She's not broke. Trust me, she's not broke. Okay, so is it motivation or discipline for you?
I would say it's motivation.
It's motivation.
Yes.
Okay, so what drives you mostly to do what you want to do every day?
Number one is to help reduce waste because we have so much waste in Ghana. And number two, I think it's just identifying new ways to do things, to find your own way to use materials that is different from what everyone else is using.
Everyone is using. So if someone wants to invest or there is someone that wants to bring capital, is it allowed? People can invest. What's the least that someone can invest?
From 1 city to $1 million.
Oh, you can invest 1 city. guys, did you hear that? You can invest 1 city, and if you invest like 1 city, what's your return? You also get to make millions equally.
I'm just saying, nothing is small and nothing is big.
Nothing is big. Guys, thank you very much, and I really appreciate your time with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, do you want to put your handles out there so if someone wants to reach you?
My handle on Instagram is EsiLindTS. EsiLindTS.
EsiLindTS. Okay, that's very good. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.